Guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that how can you customize your iOS 18 lock screen. So simply guys, how can you change or customize your iOS 18 lock screen? We can do it very easily. So simply guys, you may check guys, this is lock screen. So you may lock this and you may click and hold for some second and you may select on customize, and then guys you may click here on lock screen. So here you may change this. So first of all guys, this is date and time, so you may click here and you may select anyone from here, or this is time, so you may select your time. uh, so you may change this from here. Then guys, this is depth effect. So if this is off, then guys you may add any other widget here. So you may turn on or turn off depth effect. Then guys, these are widgets, so you may add or remove any widget from here. So you may check, you may select automatic, or you may light mode, dark mode, enable this from here. So you may add any other widget from here, or you may try to change according to your require. So by all these methods guys, you can customize your lock screen easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.